Hello, I'm Jeffrey Lee, and I'll be showing you my scientific model of transformers. Transformers are devices that apply Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction to rise or lower a voltage. Transformer follows the law of conservation of energy, which is power in equals to power out. I spent time to find out an object that can represent a transformer. Then suddenly seesaw came to my mind. So let me explain how it works. Seesaw as a lever follows Lever's law, which is that the product of the input force and the distance between the force and the fulcrum equals to the product of the output force and the distance between the force and the fulcrum. If I write down as a formula, it will look like this. Well, what if I put the transformers formula with it together? Well, they look similar, aren't they? In this case, I'll let force equals to the voltage and let distance equals to the current. Then you will find out the relationship between the force and the distance is actually same as the relationships between the voltage and the current. In a step-up transformers, the input voltage should be lower than the output voltage, and the input current should be bigger than the output current. While in a seesaw systems, we get the input distance is bigger than the output distance, and the input force is less than the output force, as shown. In contrast, in the step-down transformers, the input voltage should be bigger than the output voltage, and the input current should be less than the output current. It should represent in the seesaw system as the input distance is less than the output distance, and the input force is bigger than the output force, as shown. For transformers, we know that it follows the laws of conservation of energy. Power equals to voltage times current. In my models, I re-represent it as the conservation of work, which is also a part of conservation of energy. Work equals to force times distance. We can tell that the relationship between the variables in these two equations are inversely proportional. The similarities between these two equations makes the seesaws a good representation of a transformers and make it easier to understand. That's the end for this video. Thanks for watching.